You can invent. I'm coming up with Trillanes' bank deposits all over the DBS account in Singapore as a balance of 193,000. Wala, ito, produkto ng isip ko to. Tinanggalan ko lang, tignan ko talaga. Ginamit mo, kasi nadya ko yan. Trillanes, ganito yan. Binasa ko, binawasan ko ng number. Wala ito, imbento lang.
Anak lang rin ako ng mahirap noon.
Tatay ko gobernador noon, may iniwan sa amin.
I come from a poor father.
Hindi kami mahirap. Wala kami noon, mahirap lang eh. No, my father was governor when he died. At least alam niya maghanap buhay because we had a nice plant and a lumber yard. Yung quarter pa kami. I had $1 million already. Ako hindi ako milyonaryo.
Promise you now in front of the soldiers and everybody, I will produce that account. At sinasabi ko sa inyo, you can shoot me if it exceeds 40 million.
A little less than 200 million. Hindi naman ganun kalaki.
So, nung unang lumabas yun, dininay ng spokesman nyo. Then the following day, hit. Ano po masabi?
Kasi walang account na 200. A little lesser than 200.
3 to 6 months. I will stop drugs. I will stop criminality. Then I will stop corruption.
3 to 6 months, malinis itong bayan na ito. Ito si Peter Lim. According to the Chief PNP, he goes in and out of the Philippines from China. Now, if he has friends here, sabihin mo sa kanya, the moment he lands at Naya, he will die. He will die.
Pagkakaroon ng mga rice cartel na nasa likod ng smuggling at price manipulation. Paano babanggain ng administrasyon ninyo ang mga rice cartel na ito?
Sos, ma'am, kunyan lang, I'll do it in 3 days. Hulihin ko lang yung gagong, yung I testified in the Senate, I identified somebody there. Bangayan. He was one of those smuggling rice. Yung cartel nila, madali yan. The timely passage of train is indeed a milestone. This is the administration's biggest Christmas gift to the Filipino people.